Here is my latest electric conversion. I used a 1981 Kawasaki KDX 175 frame and rolling chassis. I put a 6,000 watt motor, hub motor in the rear wheel there. It has a 72 volt, 30 amp hour battery pack that can run continuously at 3C and a 30-second burst at 8C. As you can see, it's looking pretty good. Why don't we get some action shots of it?